Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You guys are tuned in to the Market Beast edition. Of course, your fellow compadre will be joining you here. We're going to take a look at Kodak, guys. Revisit a video that we came out with in the beginning of November to see if what we're saying in the channel here is actually coming to fruition. If you're just joining us, welcome. It's really simple what we do here. We identify support, resistance, and support. That's it. So if that piques your interest, we just ask that you leave an appropriate thumb after you watch the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. This way you'll get a notification when we see the price going up in a particular direction before it happens. That's key. And of course, engage in the comment section as well, guys. YouTube algorithm really loves that. So let's dive into this Kodak chart here to see if we can understand the direction. And yeah, let's just dive into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's December the 1st, 2020, and the current price of Kodak is going to be $7.27. It's down about 4.7% for the day, okay? Okay, so my loyal subscribers, and for those of you who've been watching this closely, the lines are still the same on the charts, guys. Overhead resistance, $10.35, and the potential support down here at about $5.53. Those lines have been on the chart for quite some time now. But before we get into the charts, let's take a listen on the video that we posted on November the 6th, 2020. Title suggests, will Kodak move up 20% in less than 2 weeks? Now let's just listen in on the information that we provide in that video, and it goes as followed. Now I think it's fair to say that it's okay to enter the markets here. My stop out is going to be, again, guys, this isn't financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Okay, let's be very clear about that. I'm looking to take losses. Well, not take losses. I'm actually still interested in this play, even if it goes down another 10%. So I'm looking to actually buy this all the way down to this green line here at about $5.50 approximately. Okay, so I'll gather up a relatively nice position in the market. But again, if it goes up to $8 within a week or two, I'm out. I get in and out of these markets, guys. I don't try to ride these things, you know, to the moon. That's not. So there you have it, folks. I don't know if the audio quality is really good, but basically what we said in that video is that we're looking to play Kodak to the upside. And let's just go to the beginning of the video there so you can see what the price was at the time we posted that video. And it says at about $7.15. So let's go ahead and go into the price here. And let's correspond that price level to $7.15. And if you didn't also hear in the video, we mentioned that we're going to basically play this up to $8, okay, if we can get a nice position in near the level that it was at the time of the video, and all the way down about 10% if it goes 10% down from the current level at where it was in that video. So let's put a green line here as a potential buy-in level. That's where the price was at the time of the video, right here on this line. And I said, even if it goes down another 10%, I'll still be interested all the way down to the $5.53 level, but it didn't make it there. So we were definitely buying all the way down 10%. So let's measure 10% down from this green line right here. Okay. So we'll take our handy dandy ruler here. Let's see. 10% down. Yeah, that's actually right there at that wick, guys. I don't know if you can see that. That was perfect. Perfect entry, guys. Really nice play here. And that 10% down actually corresponds to about 650. I think we also mentioned that on the video. So it literally spiked down to that level. Beautiful entry in the market. And we said the price that we're going to take all of our profits out of the market is going to be at about $8. And I'll put a red line overhead there so you can see that. And let's see here. Let's make that red for visibility purposes. And we'll erase this lower line down here. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is where we entered the market and exited the market here at about $7.15, where we averaged down. So we had a better entry and went all the way up to the $8 level, taking a 12% profit out of the market. And an option, actually, that's a lot more than that. So really nice play. That's what we did on that and that call here. So I'm pretty sure some are saying, okay, well, where's the market going to go next? So let's just do that in this video and understand where's the potential next direction in the markets here, okay? So with that, I'm going to need to pull up some indicators here. So we have the stochastics RSI down in the lower region down here. That's a really good sign. As soon as it breaks above that 20 level, that would mean that the price action has bullish potential. So I'll be keeping a close eye on that. That 20 level, for those of you who are just joining us, it's going to be right here at this line at 20 level. We're looking for that blue line to cross above that level right there to be a potential bullish indication in the markets that it should move higher. And so far as what I'm seeing, the RSI can't really make out anything on the RSI down here. So we're probably going to skip that for now. I'm not sure. I'm actually out of the markets, guys, so I'm not really sure what I can see if you guys are looking to play this long or to the downside. But what I will say is one thing that I'm noticing here. Remember, guys, support, resistance, resistance, support, and to identify an uptrend, all you need to look for is higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so I'm just going to point out 4 levels here for you guys. Okay, the high here in July, the 27th-ish, 2020, here's the high. At the candle's body is going to be about $21. Okay, we have a low here at about August the 30th, 2020. We have a low of about $5.50 or 60 something cent. Okay, we have a lower high here at about $12.07 on the September the 14th candle. That weekly there, that weekly candle there. Can't talk today. And here within this approximate range, we have at about November the 9th, we actually have a higher low at about $6.72. So if I just had to take a very practical guess on where the price has the potential to reach over the next, I'm not sure. I'm not really good at timing this stuff, guys. But from a very practical standpoint, let me just put the arrows here to really simplify this, okay? I'm going to say that we topped out here, the potential top out here, okay? So far it's topped out. I'm not saying that's an official top out, Moon Boys, okay? We got a high, we have a low here in the price. We have a high, and we have a higher low. So according to the trend that is trying to take place here, simply here in front of me, as long as the recent levels down here holds down at about $6.50, the price action is going to make an attempt to make a higher high. Okay, really simple. It's not guaranteed that's actually going to happen, guys, but according to the trend, the market players who are currently in the markets who are trying to continue this uptrend that it's been in ever since. Let's see here. So basically the uptrend started around down here. If I can circle this for you guys, somewhere around this area down here, March the 30th, 2020, at about a price of about $1.50. Okay, it's really clear to see that, guys. It doesn't take a lot to see that. Okay, we got a low in the price. Let's see if I can bring out my ruler or the arrows here again. So we have a low in the price. See if I can just kind of put this on the screen here, guys. Stick with me here. Nothing's rehearsed. Hit the like button if you enjoy the content so far. So we'll take the arrows and we're going to say there's a low in the price at about $1. It's about $1.49-ish. Then we made a high here in about May 11th, 2020 at about $2.88. Made a higher low right here at about $1.98. And the price blasted off to the upside. $21 it closed. We had a spike at about 60, but I'm just paying attention to the weekly candles bodies here. $21 on the close on the weekly. Higher low right here, August 31st. $5.54-ish. And you see it, guys. The high here, September the 14th, $12. That's what the price action is trying to do, guys. A low here of about $6.50. So if $6.50 holds that relative range, the next level, according to this recent trend, started back in March the 23rd-ish, 2020. They're going to try to make the buyers in the market. They're going to try to make a higher high, higher than $12.07. Okay, that's clear as day, guys. That's not difficult to see. Okay, you can see that plain as day. Okay, do the sellers have an interest in this market? Of course. There's overhead resistance here that I've already verified at about $10.35. There's potentially resistance at that level. I'm pretty sure the sellers are trying to step into the market to push this price down, as it has been in a pretty nasty downtrend for quite some time, as we just kind of scroll back and look at the inception near the October 2013, somewhere around this range. It started out at about $33. So the buyers have had a pretty strong or relatively interesting interest in this asset class here, on this asset rather, and just pushing the price down, making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, until of recently here. The trend has been shifted ever since, like March 2020. So right now, ever since March 2020, the price has the potential to stay within an uptrend as long as the lows are respected. And the lowest low here from the top out candle here is going to be at about $5.53. That's how I'm able to identify these levels, guys. It's not that complicated. Just open the charts, find out the resistance and the support levels, and I'm pretty sure at some point you're gonna find this stuff. So again, as long as this, let's just wrap this up, guys, this video. As long as this level here near the, let's call it $6.60, if the buyers can protect this level, and let's just say, I don't know, make some sort of Wing pattern, then the next level is going to be above and beyond this $10.35 level. The buyers are going to attempt to make a higher high to keep this uptrend intact ever since March the 20th, or March the 23rd-ish, 2020, starting at about $1.50. The buyers have had control of this market, and I think they would like to resume control as long as they can continue to make higher highs and higher lows in the price action. So remember, this is a high here at about 21, guys. I'm going to wrap this up really quickly. I just want to show you this really quick. And this is a lower high at about $12.07-ish, okay? So the next thing, really the next target it needs to get above is $21. But as long as this short term, let's just say it topped out here in July the 27th, as long as the lows can be respected at about $5.53, then although it seemed as if a top out here in July the 27th, it does have the potential to bounce from $5.50, go up. It did make a lower high, yes, and that is bearish, okay? But as long as the lows here are respected, it could eventually climb itself back above $10.35. And if $10.35 holds as support, then the buyers would have a very unique edge in the markets to continue the trend higher and eventually take out the highs and make new highs eventually in this instrument here. So that's basically what I'm looking for, guys. $6.50. Keep your eyes on that level. If that level holds, we should expect to see another test or breach of the $10.35 level. That's pretty much it, guys. That's what I'm looking at. And of course, if this $6.50 level, if it's compromised and it goes lower, the next level we have to pay attention to is this green line. Really simple, guys. $5.53. That's what I'm paying attention to, guys. I will re-enter this market at $6.50, depending on how the candles look and how it's, if they develop some sort of reversal candles at about $6.50. I will re-enter the market and play this up to the $10.35 level. That's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. Leave a comment down below. Let us know if you are invested in this asset, if you think that this information is legitimate and you are interested in playing this. Again, this isn't financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. And guys, yeah, just get a discussion going, guys. This is Napoleon Macro. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out our other videos that popped on the screen, hopefully at some point here towards the end of the video. And that's it, guys. Take care of yourselves. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.